You see, soon at 11 there is the Croatian Mass starting here. Just the German Mass ended, and here you can see already the people. The main Mass at 11, starting soon the Croatian one. It's in the back of the sanctuary, outside in summer. You see people streaming there, going there. Here it is. People are coming, they're staying in the shadow because it's warm under the trees. It's really nice here that in the back of the sanctuary they made a lot of trees that you can sit down in the shadow in summer because it's getting quite hot. As you can see, it's starting very soon. Holy Mass, the Croatian Holy Mass. This is just a little impression for you guys. Look, isn't that beautiful how many people there are? It's still streaming into the sanctuary. Very soon it will be starting. See, smart people, they are not sitting in the sun, they know here, the locals. See, people are still coming in, and I leave you with this beautiful view on St. James Church. Mass is starting very, very soon. Bye for now.